So here's the leak. Bubbling. Here's my setup. Old and leaking. Yeah, I think this one is compromised because this is like when I put soap, water with soap, there's bubbles in here. There's nothing inside here, but probably air is escaping, making that risey noise in the exhaust. So this is the new one from Amazon. This is actually OEM. It's like around $26. And this is the original Toyota part. You shouldn't buy any aftermarket because the gasket is not the same dimension wise. So I'm gonna put this under the exhaust. Yep. Yeah, this is pretty much broken. It's soft too. So yeah, the exhaust sound is not that bad, but you could actually tell the difference because I have like two other prices to compare. Yeah, I know that the sound is really bad on this one. Well, not really that bad, but you'll notice that it has a leaking exhaust. Once you remove the two bolts there with spring, you could actually remove the gasket. Yep, see that one? Yep. So I'm gonna clean the area. Effort. I was able to put the gasket in, but it will not go all the way in until I put in the bolts. So I'll put in the bolt. So after some struggle, this bolts with spring is really hard to loosen, and also replacing them back and also tighten them. So here I am now tightening it to them. You basically have to tighten them until that notch there, that one goes against the flat side, the other side. So I'm like a third of the way now, and then I'm going to switch to the other side to make it even. Cut the video because this is gonna be a boring tightening sequence. We reached the other side of the what they call this, of the flange, and look at that. That's the end point. So you cannot tighten it anymore, and then the spring is pretty much compressed. Same thing with the other side. See the other side. Yep. That's also the light is covering it. Yep, that's also the flat side there. Yep. So the noise will be gone when I